He's taking his MRI right now. Pero yung initial diagnosis kanina, we had an ultrasound na portable. And then, sinalat ko rin yung Achilles niya, there's really walang lang tension. So, lubog talaga siya. So, they just want to confirm yung hinala namin now, which is I think it's a partial tear. It's not a total tear, but nonetheless, it's an Achilles problem. So, we'll see after the MRI. Ngayon, they're in the hospital. So, bummer.
Given the possibility of time, may possibility ba na all Filipino tayo and game 3
I'm talking already to 2 agents right now, and I have 2 imports waiting just confirmation from the agent. The first option is a bigger guy, and the second option is our actually standby import for the third conference, Darius Days. He was our import last conference when Ronde wasn't available yet, so he came in pre-season. So yun ang usapan namin. And ngayon, we actually tapped him already for the third conference to stand in for Ronde before he's ready from his injury as well. But the guy we're looking at, if he's available, is Marquez Chris. So he's 6'9", so you can research about him. So he just came from China. So he's the first guy we're looking at.
Pero yung Darius Days, meron siyang siyang like yung gap, pwede siya maglaro sa game 3.
Yeah.
Ever.
Pwede,
Is he here?
pwede naman to follow yung gap na yun eh. Pag gano'n ng mga replacement na emergency. Pwede naman yun.
Is he here?
Even he's in Florida.
Okay.
Pero kailangan lumipad sila right away. So he's in Florida, and then si Chris is from nasa West Coast. So if they leave right away, like ngayon, magpupuyat ako. I'm going to wait for the agent to call. And then the moment they're ready to fly, they lilipad na kagad doon. So maybe Friday night. Kasi ngayon, Thursday na lang yata ng umaga doon. So Friday night, so dating to Sunday morning.
So, may choice pa ba? I mean, it's either Chris or
Days.
what will you decide? What will made you decide on who the import?
Who can fly in right away?
Okay.
But definitely, if we need to win the championship, Days can. I think we can survive this semifinals with Days. But if we go to the finals, I don't think we'll be able to win with him. I'm not saying that he lacks the ability, but Chris is a more imposing import. Who's a 6'9" athletic guy. Who has good experience, first round draft pick. I think we have a better chance if we go to the finals to win the whole thing.
Coach, to clarify lang, Coach, baka hindi ko narinig. Ruled out for the
Yes.
conference.
Yeah, ruled out. Yeah, he's done. Thank you.
Thanks, Coach.
Salamat po.